especially on that aggregator policy, and ते अजूनही तेजेर हे ना, they will discuss with you all about म्हटलं किती exactly आहे.
Just now today I had a meeting with my director as well as all the ADTs were called. We are trying to get a app-based system where everybody can go on the app of their choice, and they will all be having one particular fare for the trip wherein the driver is benefited. I can give you a copy of the thing being propagated so that you are able to publicize it properly. It has already, I will be getting the draft publication done as well.
No, but what happens? They are saying Goa is a small state. Ilan Goa म्हणता तिथून म्हणता apps or based चलोंग शकना. Not feasible बा म्हणता.
No, I think after my director and the ADTs have met people from different areas, the common driver, I will say, except a few people who are the leaders are not agreeing. Most of them are agreeable. So let us give it a try, no?
So yesterday ते म्हणता अजूनही meeting आहे आणि पुढे जावपाचे असं.
There will be more consultation, and I am putting it for draft publication, this entire scheme, so that I get public, I can solicit public opinion. I have, meanwhile, my director has had consultation with Goa Chamber of Commerce, has had consultation with GSIA, has had consultation with other industries association, has had consultation with some of the industrial estates, and everyone is saying that you have to have app-based taxis wherein we have data, we know how many taxis are there, how, at what rate they operate, and when we are going to give the full benefit to the driver, what is the problem?
What happens?
Their earnings will increase.
So what happens to those apps like Goa Mile app, Taxi app, Goa Taxi app?
That will be one of the app operating. There is no problem about that.
So ते बंद वो new app आहे काय नाही.
New app, no. You can go on any app that you want. That is going to be the thing. And but now there has been a notification, if you are not aware of it, which is already issued, wherein those on the app need not put the meter. What was their thing? They have to spend so much of money for putting a new meter. Every year there are annual charges. There are no annual charges.
No, but will this be a new app now, or this will be a
we are not. They can go on any app they want. Understood? No. It is going to be a system where they will be able, but the rates will be as notified by the government.
And if they don't want to come, then? If they don't want to come, this काल ज्या भाषेन उलयला ते बस सांगला
I think the feedback is most of the drivers and the associations are positive. It is already there in the public domain. My director has had discussion with the different taxi operators, different associations. My ADTs have had discussion. The feedback from all of them was positive, which I myself was not expecting that it is so positive. Except a few leaders.
Okay.
There are a handful of them. I don't want to name them just to forgetting.
And what will be the name of this new app? And what will be the name of this app?
There is not going to be. It is going to. You read here. On this you can understand what the word.
सरकारी बडे ड्रायव्हराची उदरगत. ओके सर अनेक विषय म्हणटा पळय दुसरो काल पळय तुमकां पंचायतीचे
सरकारी भाडे ड्रायव्हराची उदरगत. एवरीथिंग द ड्रायव्हर विल गेट.
सर दुसरे म्हणटा पंचायतीचे तुमकां स्टाफ कोण मेंबर्स मेळ्ळे. वॉट वॉज दॅट इश्यू?
No, there are two things what happened. Number one, Kadamba Transport Corporation, as you know, they were supposed to go on a strike. There several demands were there. I showed them that most of their demands, including implementation of the 7th Pay Commission, has been done. That's why they called off the strike. I said, they said it yesterday, others said it, I said it day before yesterday, they themselves said it yesterday, all the union leaders. As far as Panchayat workers are concerned, their union people also came because the common person there is Christopher Fonseca. And after discussions with me, instead of being in an agitational mode, they also were very cooperative because they also understood that government is not only seized of their problem, government is in the process of meeting most of their demands and solving whatever they want.
Is the app is feasible in Goa? according to you, sir?
See, it is not the question of whether app is feasible or not. This is a totally fallacious argument that app is not feasible. What is the meaning of a app? You choose any app you want, your fare will be monitored on that. The distance, everything will be known on that. Okay? You will be paid the full amount, driver will get the full amount. Very small commission fixed for the aggregator which the government will decide. So what is the problem? If you choose that you don't want to go to the app for a particular trip, what is preventing you? You will put off the app and they will have a choice of multiple apps. You go on whichever app you want. But data collection is something which is required for any planning. Data collection is required for getting the revenue to the government. Data is required by them themselves. Because today, how many taxis are there? Maybe we have excess number of taxis which the taxi associations are telling. There are more taxis than required. So it's causing a problem. So once you have data, we also know which permits to give or which permits not to give. Or to put a ban on, as we have put on rent a car. Tomorrow we will put a ban on issuing more permits also if necessary. If we find that there are more taxis than required. Only when the tourism footfall increases or more people are required in that business, we will give more permits. Because you see today in industrial estates also, I know as an industrial minister, women want to work in the night shift. There is no transport available. If there are taxis on the app which they can call, which the company can call, and there can be a share taxi, it will be a means rent means they will be ताका भाडेय मेळटले टॅक्सीवाल्या आनी आमच्या बायलांक कामूय करपाक मेळटलें. आज इंडस्ट्रियल एस्टेटांतय प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ले आसा.
Okay.
Once you are on the app, you have every information available for data which can be used for everything.